morning everyone. So today we are here to present a working model based on Pascal law and hydraulic law. So my team members are Kiran, Sasmita and Poonam. Each one of us will explain you the different parts of the model. We have chosen this topic because this is one of the most important chapter in class 9 physics. So now my friend Sasmita will explain you the hydraulic law.
Thank you, Sangeeta. Myself, Sasmita Bora, and today I'm come over here to explain you the hydraulic lift. So the first question is, what is hydraulic lift? So the answer is a hydraulic lift is used to load some heavy loads with liquid pressure. So in our model, there are two cylinders which are fixed and which are have different sizes and which are fixed with tube which is filled with water. So when we press the smaller syringe, then the pressure applied to the water, then the pressure reaches the bigger syringe because the bigger syringe has a larger area. So by that the lift moves upward. So an example of hydraulic lift is that you can use it in the elevators and in the car servicing centers. So now my friend Poonam will explain you the Pascal's law. So thank you.
To Sasmita, myself Poonam. Now I would to talk about the Pascal law. Pascal law states that when pressure is applied to the confinite liquid, it is transmitted equally in all directions. In the shown models, there are two connected containers filled with water. When force is applied on the liquid in one container, the pressure is passed through the liquid to the other container. As the result, liquid level change in the both parts. My friend Kiran will explain the Pascal law experiment. Thank you.
My name is Kiran. I would like to explain Pascal law in experiment. 3 example using series. Pascal law: when two series are connected with tube filled with water, pressing the piston of one series make the piston of the other series. A small force applied on a small series can move a large series because the pressure is transmitted equally through the liquid. This principle is used in hydraulic series where connected series show how pressure spread uniformly in a liquid.